Hi, I'm Victoria.
Hi, I'm Avery.
And we're from York, Pennsylvania.
Today I'll be sharing the Lovely and the Forever. The Lovely is the engagement ring that you see here, and the Forever is the wedding band that you see, but let me show you them separately. Here's the Forever close up. The Forever is very vintagey and dainty. I think that it would be really beautiful as a stack of rings, but I decided to completely contrast and pair it with the Lovely, which is more modern. I think that the two complement each other very well. They really create a nice contrast for a very elegant look that is personalized to me. The thing that I love most about Mod Gents is that it's made with sterling silver and gray AAA CZ stones, which means that you're getting a great quality ring at a great price point. This was something that was important for me as I was looking for my second ring. My husband and I have been married for almost a year now, and I wanted to switch up my look a little bit and find something that was affordable but also high quality. And that's where Mod Gents came in. My ring set is absolutely gorgeous and I couldn't be happier with it. Thank you.